Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to have some quick cleaning inspiration for you. We're going to be doing a power hour, so I'm going to be timing myself and seeing how much I can get clean in my house in 1 hour. I actually don't have too much to do. It's like just a lot of picking up, not a lot of deep cleaning this week, so I think I'm going to be able to get the whole top floor of my house done. That's what at least I'm hoping for. But let's go and get right on into the video, and I'm going to start by timing myself for 60 minutes, and let's see how fast we can clean. So we're going to go ahead and start my favorite place to start, and that is in the kitchen. I don't have a whole lot to do here. I just have to really unload the dishwasher and reload it back up, and then just kind of clean up from lunch today. Today was a daycare day, so I had some kids that were napping at the time when I started filming this video. That's why I wanted to do it in only an hour. So I'm going to clean up after lunch and just clean up some of the toys from this morning.
A 24-hour streak, wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I am not pretending, I'm bored like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman, calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
So I just wanted to pop on here really quickly. I'm sorry if you can hear my boyfriend in the background. He is reading bedtime stories to our son. We're just doing the bedtime routine right now, so you can probably hear him in the background, so I apologize for that. But I just wanted to pop on here really quickly and just say thank you guys so much. I've had a couple of people reach out to me and ask if I'm doing okay, because I've missed posting a couple of days in the last couple of weeks because I've been really sick. I tell you, opening this daycare, because I just opened this daycare in July, and I just was not prepared for how much we were going to get sick this sickness season. Yeah, we just keep getting it over and over again, and this last couple of weeks it just has not been leaving. You can probably still tell a little bit in my voice. It's just not leaving, and I've just been exhausted all the time. I've just been sleeping so much, so all of the extra time that I would be editing or filming, I just haven't had any energy at all, and I've been sleeping as soon as basically once the kids all leave and once Holden goes to bed, I pretty much go to bed with Holden, and then I'm waking up in the morning and just starting my days again with the daycare. So it has been a really hard cold and flu season. So if you have any tips for me on how to stay healthy with so many kids around, always coming into my house and bringing in all their germs, I would love to know some tips for staying healthy in the cold and flu season down below.
It's so much harder now to reach you. Your heart is floating in the sky. We known each other for so long. We know our love like an old song. Sing along one more time. It's so much harder now to please you. Your smile is fading with the rain. And we known each other for so long, and I know you struggle to stay strong. Sing along with me again. When storms are rolling in to make this hard to last, let us light 'em up, light 'em up. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up. If we start remembering
Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and move into the bathroom. The bathroom did need a full clean, So I did do everything in here, except I realized later on that I forgot to actually scrub the toilet. Like I cleaned the outside of the toilet, but I didn't actually use the scrubber brush and scrub the inside. I put all of the cleaner in it, I just didn't actually scrub it. So I had to go back and do that off camera because I realized after I was done filming that I forgot to do that. But the rest of the bathroom got a full clean, and then we're going to go and move into the master bedroom.
So much harder now to reach you. Your heart is floating in the sky. We knew each other for so long, but we know our love like an old song. Sing along with me again. When storms are rolling in to make this hard to last, let us light 'em up, light 'em up. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up. If we start remembering bad memories of the past, let us light 'em up, light 'em up. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up. Oh. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up. When storms are rolling in to make this hard to last, let us light 'em up, light 'em up. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up. If we start remembering bad memories of the past, let us light 'em up, light 'em up. Let us light 'em up, light 'em up. I just wanna hold you. I just wanna love.
So in the master bedroom, there wasn't a whole lot that needed to be done in here. I really just needed to make the beds. And then while I was in here, I realized how dusty the tables had gotten. And I've commented on this before, but these really, really dark nightstands and the chests that I have, they just show so much dust. It is insane. And the fact that we have a white cat, I think makes things a lot worse. And she is the shedder out of the two of them. The black one doesn't really shed that much, but the white one really sheds. So I just find that I'm always like, as I'm wiping it, I can see more dust and more hair falling on it. So that's honest to goodness how fast it collects dust. Like I'm walking away and I'm seeing new dust particles and hair particles land on top of it. It is insane. So I just feel like I can't keep up with the dust and with the pet hair in my house. I mean, I run a cleaning channel on YouTube, so I like to think that for the most part my house is fairly clean. But it's just, I just don't know what to do. I don't know how to keep up with it. How do you keep up with your pet hair all the time?
You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire. Every time we touch, we get set to what on fire, what on fire. I wanna hold your head. You're everything that I desire, I desire. Oh, every time we touch, we get set to what on fire, what on fire. I just wanna look into your eyes. You know you make me feel like I'm alive.
The last room that we're going to be tackling today is Holden's room, and he just had quite a few of his toys out on the floor. He'd been playing with his racetracks earlier that day, so I had to go ahead and just tidy up his toys. And then I wanted to try and organize a little bit more in his closet. I'm having such a hard time with the toy organization situation in this house, and I just need to come up with a better system for it. But it's just, especially now he's really getting into trains, and we're buying all these tracks and everything, and it's just, it takes up so much room. It's insane. So trying to figure out how to store that all in his closet has just not been easy, but there's just not a whole lot of storage in my house, so you kind of have to try to get creative with it.
We get set to what on
shadows on the bedroom wall, silhouettes of memories that
Well, we are now nearing the end of the video, so I want to just pop on here and say thank you guys so much for watching. If you have made it this far into the end of the video, I really appreciate you sticking around through the whole thing. And if you are new to this channel, I would love it if you'd go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm getting so close to 1,000 subscribers, so I really am looking forward to hitting that here in the next few weeks, hopefully. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below if I actually helped to motivate you. That always makes me feel so happy when you guys tell me that I've motivated you. It really just makes all this effort that I put into these videos seem worth it when I hear that. So that just makes my day. And thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we